Hey YouTube, we're in a different surrounding. I wonder why. Probably seen my title. I'm going to do basically a Zippo water test. I'm going to do the test with the lid shut, open, and to see if it will light. So I've got fuel in it. So okay. Oops. Okay, I'm just let's give it a look. If there's any air bubbles in there. Okay, I'm going to let it soak for about 5 minutes, and then YouTube, that's it been soaking for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's shake off the water, dry off my hand. Oh, it's wet. It's absolutely soaking. Oops. Just that flint needs drying off and it was light again. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to do the test again with it. Just and like that. This might be the last test, so go leave it for another 5 minutes and we'll come back. YouTube, that's me back. Let's take it out. Shake all the water out it. Let me blow some out it. Okay, that's oh. Okay, this could be it. It wants to. Come on, Zippo. Oh, it's hurt my finger. Let me switch over hands. Ah, there we go. Oh. Ha! Yeah, Zippos are quite good with water too. But I had left it in for about maybe 7 minutes or so. And basically, Zippos are good. I don't know if the one's wet or nothing, probably a bit. Let's just start to heat up nicely. Sweet! So that is just another video for YouTube. It's just a Zippo, what should I call it? I'll call it the Zippo water test. Comment and rate and subscribe.